Hi everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about this VTech Paw Patrol phone. I got this for my son. He is absolutely obsessed with Paw Patrol and this has been one of his favorite toys ever. He just takes it everywhere with him. It's super portable. Obviously he can take it in the car. We can take it on road trips. It's just so easy and so fun. It just has this little on switch here and then it is a digital screen right here. And it has a bunch of little voice animations. It has Marshall, Sky, and Chase's voice on it. It does let you do 4 different learning activities and then 6 different counting and number learning activities. So it's really versatile. It has a ton of different things they can play with. They're not going to get bored super easily. It does have voice recognition also, so you can kind of do a chat and reply. So it's really fun for them if they would love to chat with Marshall, Sky, or Chase, and he is just absolutely obsessed. And I think it's great that it helps them learn their numbers. It really lets them do an immersive kind of learning experience. It really has them kind of role play and they get to be involved so it doesn't get monotonous for them. With so many options, it keeps him entertained for a really long time. We have loved this. It's super durable, like I said. It's held up great. He has had this for probably about 6 months. Absolutely held up perfectly. It still works great. It does take 2 AAA batteries, so you don't have to use like lithium batteries or the little round ones, which I hate keeping in my home. So it's perfect. It's easy to use. It's super easy to unlock the little batteries on the back for the parent, just so you can switch them out easily. It does last quite a bit with the batteries that you put in it. I don't have to change them very often. So if you have a little guy or a little girl that loves Paw Patrol, would love to just sit and talk with them with their little voices, I think this would be a perfect match. And I hope this was helpful. So thank you.